Welcome back. We are now going to talk about one of the main integrations you'll be using with your Aweber account. And what you'll notice is that at the very top to the right, there's a link that says My Apps. That link will take you to all of the applications and online websites that will connect to Aweber and integrate into their service. Now, we are going to talk about that in a later video, but right now we want to talk about the connection between Aweber and one in particular, which is PayPal. And we can integrate into PayPal so that every time someone purchases something through our PayPal account, we can actually have that person added automatically to our email marketing list. And so in order to do that, we're going to click PayPal in order to get started. We'll then want to click Integrate with PayPal. We'll then want to click this Enable button. You'll then need to grant permission to Aweber inside of your PayPal account, and you're going to click Grant Permission. That will bring you back inside of Aweber, and you'll be required then to go through a few more steps. What you'll want to do is you'll want to go to the Instant Payment Notifications page inside of your PayPal account, just as the instructions say here. You're then going to click the Choose IPN Settings. PayPal will then require you to put in an instant notification settings notification URL. You'll then copy this notification URL, and then you will paste it in the box inside of PayPal. You will then click the Receive IPN Messages, and then you will click the Save button. Then inside of the PayPal integration, you're going to choose the list to add people to when they purchase a certain product. Now, because you're likely to create multiple products, you will probably want to check this box that says, I want to add people to different lists when they purchase specific items from my store. So go ahead and click this link. And then what you're going to do is you're going to choose the product, and then you're going to choose the list. Once you've done that, you are going to click the Add button. And then you will have an integration so that whenever a person purchases this product from you with your PayPal button, they will then be added to your Aweber list. And then every time you create a product, you want to come back to this integration and then continue to add products to different lists inside of Aweber. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.